Guys, what's up? I am Satish Rajput. Welcome to my YouTube channel, that is CANSEGA GS. So today in this class we will start the 9th class NCERT polynomial exercise 2.4 part 3. So in this we will solve the remaining question which we completed of yesterday. So today we will discuss, in this we will do the factorize method. So in last class we done part 1 part 2, in that 1 to 3 question we already completed. You can go and watch that video, previous video. So now we start the factorize fourth question, all the 4 bit. See what you mean by factorize. Okay, first you have to see understand the meaning of factorize. Okay, suppose I will give you one example. Suppose you had number 10. Okay, how you can write this number 10? So you write it as 2 into 5. Okay, 2 into 5 you written. So what it means, 2 and 5 is the factor of 10. Okay, 2 and 5 is the factor of 10. So like this we have to split the term. What we done in this 10 number, we have split the term and we calculate the factors that are factors of 10. Like the same we have to do in question number 1. What is given? 2x square minus 7x plus 1. Okay, so first what you have to do, first take the LCM of this term so that we can equally separate the value. So if you find this number, what it will be? So if you take, okay, 12x square minus 7x, you can write it as 4x minus 3x. Okay, when you add it, minus 4x minus 3x, it become 7x only. Okay, so then plus 1 you write as it is. Okay, now what you have to do? Okay, underline two parts. Okay, now see this one. In this two number, in this two decimal polynomial, what is common? Here is 4 you can take as common. Okay, so 4 you take it as common. Then what you can take is x. Okay, x term you can take. So we taken x as a common. Then 4x, if we take 4x outside the bracket, what will be remaining inside? Okay, so 4 3 is 12, so we write 3 as 12 and remaining x we written. Okay, when you multiply this 2, what you will get? 4 3 is 12 and x into x is x square, so same number you are getting. Okay, again here is minus sign, so you just have to write minus. Okay, here is 4x and here is 4x, so 4x we want 4x, so what we have to do? Just we have to multiply 4x at a, okay, once we have to write. So 4x minus 1, so when we multiply it, so it will come minus 4x. Okay, now we have to take this second term. Okay, now we will take second term. Just we will take, what is common here? Here common is 1 only. Okay, here common is minus 1. Okay, so inside what we will write? Inside we will write 3x minus 1. Okay, when you multiply minus 1 into 3, you will get minus 1 into 3x is minus 3, minus 1 into minus 1 become plus 1. Okay, so you have to just verify before you going further. Okay, now just what you have to do? Just write 4x minus 1, this term, okay, and the common factor is 3x minus 1 and 3x minus 1. So 3x minus 1 you have to write it once. Okay, so this become the factor of which equation? So this polynomial, for this polynomial this is the factors. Okay, so 4x minus 1 and 3x minus 1 is the factor of 12x square minus 7x plus 1. So now we go to question number 2. So in second question, same we have to do. So second question is what is given, same 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Okay, so same we have to do. So here you have to take the common term that we can use in this form. Okay, so here you can write this term as 2x square plus 7, you can write it as 4x plus 3x plus 3. Okay, so you can take this as common. If you get the value same, then it is okay. If you not getting the in the form of factorization, if you not able to factorize this term, then you have to take the another number to test. Okay, so here you take 2, we are taking common 2x plus 2. Okay, plus 1 3x, 3 we are taking common, so here 1 x plus 1. Okay, so here two terms are different. Okay, so you can't take 4x plus 3x. Okay, so you have to take another number to factorize these both term. Okay, so here what factor you will take, 6x plus 1x we take in this. Okay, so 6x plus x is 7x, nothing but 7x. So we write this equation as 2x square. Okay, 6x plus x plus 3. Okay, now if we take the common term, 2 is a common here, 2 is a common, and another term is x. Okay, 2x is a common. Okay, 2x common, and we write x inside. So when you multiply 2x into x is 2x square, same term. Okay, now just we have to write plus sign as it is. So 2x into 3. Okay, when 2x into 3 is 6x. Okay, 6x plus 1 x plus 3. Okay, so we are getting this common term is x plus 3 and x plus 3. So what we are doing is correct. So when you write 2x plus 1 and x plus 3, this is the common factor of the term, this one. Okay, so this is 2x plus 1 and x plus 3 is a factor of 2x square plus 7x plus 3. So like this we have to do. Next question, that is question number 3. See, in next question, in third question, 6x square minus plus 5x minus 6 is given. Okay, so 6x square plus 5x we can write it as 6x minus 1 minus x. 6x minus x is nothing but 5x only, and minus 6 we write it as same. Okay, so you take the two terms common. Okay, now in common here you are getting what, 6 as a common and x as a common, and remaining what, 6x is outside, then remaining x will be inside, plus 6x is you are taking outside, so remaining is 1 minus here minus is common, so minus 1 you are taking outside, so inside you have only x plus 6. Okay, x plus 6, but you are getting that these two are different value. Okay, so you can't take this factor. Okay, you can't take this as a factor of this term, so you have to take the another number so that you get the common factor. Like if you getting x plus 1 here, you have to get x plus 1 here also. Okay, or x plus 6 you are getting here, so x plus 6 you have to get here also. So for this one I am doing some another assumption that you should be very clear. So how you will get the number? Okay, see, instead of 6x minus x we change something. Okay, so see this one. Okay, 6x square plus here is 5, so you just write 2x plus 3x. 2x plus 3x is nothing but 5x minus 6 you write as it is. Okay, now you take the two common term, here you take 2 as a common and x is a common. Okay, just write remaining 2 3s are 3 is inside this and x, okay, 2x 3x inside this one, okay, plus 2x is outside, then remaining 2x. So here I have to just write 1, so 2x into 1 is 2x only, okay. Now you have to take the another term, that is in these two terms common is 3, okay. So 3 you took outside, okay, remaining is x, okay, minus here is 3, here is 3, no, here is 2, okay, 3 2s are 6, okay, so 3 2s are 6. So here is again what you are getting, there is a some different number, so you can't say this factorize, you can't be able to find the factor of this term, okay. Now we have to take another number so that we can find this number, so that we can get the factor method, okay. So finally we will take the number so that they can possible solve the so that we get the possible factor of this term, okay. So in last we take the final 2x square plus we taking here 9x minus 4x, 9x minus 4x is nothing but 5x minus 6, okay. Now you take the common terms in this both, so here you are getting 3 as a common and x is a common, so remaining you are getting 2 as 2x as a remaining term, okay. Then plus 9x is here, okay. So 3 3s are 9, so 3 3s are, if you want the 3x into 3 3 3s are 9x, so 9x you are getting, okay. Now in this term you have to take 2 as a common and minus 2 you are written outside, then remaining inside is 2x plus, see if you minus into plus become minus only, so you are taking inside plus sign, then you are writing 3, okay. If you multiply minus 2 plus 3, minus 2 into plus 3, you are getting minus 6 only, okay. So you are getting common term 3x minus 2, okay, and 2x plus 3. So these are the factor for this term, okay, 2x plus 5x minus 6, this is the factor of this term. Now you have to do fourth one, that is 3x square minus 4 minus 3x square minus x minus 4, okay. So no current here, so we continue in fourth one. So here 3x square and minus x minus 4, okay. So here you see this 4 and 3, okay. So just 4 and 3 we are here, and here is only one term, okay. So you can write this as 3x square minus, okay, minus 4x plus 3x minus 4, okay. When you add minus 4x plus 3x, you will get minus x, okay. Now you take the two terms, you just write 3 as a common, you can't write 3 as a common, okay. So just you have to write x as a common and 3x inside this and 4. So if you multiply this, it becomes 3x square first term and minus 4x second term. Now in second part also you have to do, just you have to write 1 as a outside the bracket, so just you have to write 1 outside the bracket and then 3x minus 4, okay. So we are getting 3x minus 4, 3x minus 4, 3x minus 4 as a common, then x plus 1. So this become the factor for this term, okay, for this term 3x square minus x minus 4. So we are getting the factor of this one. So this complete the question number 4th of this class. So we completed the 2-point exercise, 4th bit, 4th question, and the 5th question we will continue in next class. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.